You are sitting at your desk. The clock strikes 3 in the afternoon. You shift your weight in your chair and you notice a deeply uncomfortable sensation. Your legs feel incredibly heavy. Your feet are cold, perhaps even slightly numb or tingling. You ignore it. You tell yourself that as long as you hit the gym for 1 hour after work, you will completely erase the damage of sitting at a desk all day. I want to clear your conscience right now, but I also need to shatter that illusion. Let me explain what is actually happening beneath your skin. You are not lazy, and your post-work gym session it's fantastic for your muscles. But from a vascular standpoint, 1 hour of lifting weights cannot overwrite the biological damage of 8 continuous hours of stagnant blood. You are currently trapped in a phenomenon known as the silent coagulation. Your modern working environment is not just making your legs tired, it is actively altering the architecture of your blood vessels, turning highly flexible pathways into stiff, hardened pipes. Today, we execute the Endothelial Defense. We will uncover the timeline of exactly what happens when you sit, restore the invisible biological shield inside your arteries, and flush the stagnant blood out of your system, without asking you to leave your desk. The mechanics, chronological tension, and the authority bridge. To understand why a desk job is hardening your arteries, we must look at the microscopic lining of your blood vessels. In the medical field, this specific damage is called endothelial dysfunction. Think of the endothelium as a microscopic layer of cells, no thicker than a single strand of hair that lines the inside of every blood vessel in your body. In a healthy state, this lining acts exactly like a non-stick Teflon coating. When your blood flows quickly, the friction of the liquid sliding against the walls triggers this Teflon coating to release a miraculous gas called nitric oxide. This gas keeps the arteries wide open, highly flexible, and perfectly non-stick. But when you sit down in your office chair, a terrifying chronological sequence begins. Minute 1. The moment you sit, gravity violently pulls the majority of your blood volume down into your lower legs. Minute 30. Because your leg muscles are no longer contracting to push the blood back up, your flow velocity in your lower extremities drops by an astonishing 70%. You have entered a state of hemodynamic stagnation. The blood is pooling. Hour 2. This is where the permanent damage begins. Because the blood is barely moving, the friction stops. The endothelium stops producing nitric oxide. Your biological Teflon coating physically dries out. It transforms from a non-stick surface into biological Velcro. The calcium, the bad cholesterol, and the sticky platelets floating in your stagnant blood immediately begin to attach to the walls. You are actively building arterial plaque. Let me ask you right now, by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, do your feet usually feel freezing cold or do they feel puffy and swollen? Type the word cold or swollen in the comments below. Do not ignore it. That is your body's physical SOS signal that your blood has stagnated and the Teflon coating is failing. The 3-step zero friction protocol. We cannot solve this by simply doing more intense cardio on the weekends. We must continuously rebuild the Teflon coating while you are sitting at your desk. We will now execute a 3-step zero friction protocol to restart the pump, release the gas, and flush the system. Step 1. The Soleus Override. We must immediately break the 30-minute stagnation marker. But you do not need to stand up or walk around the office to do this. You have a specialized muscle in your lower calf called the soleus. Unlike your other muscles, the soleus is a biological pump designed to run for hours without ever experiencing fatigue. While seated at your desk, keep your toes planted on the floor and aggressively raise your heels as high as you can. Lower them and repeat this motion for just 3 to 5 minutes. By executing these seated soleus push-ups, you are manually turning on a second heart under your desk. It forcefully pumps the deoxygenated, pooling blood straight back up your legs, shattering the stagnation and restoring the flow velocity. Step 2. The nitric oxide valve. Now that the blood is moving, we must re-lubricate the arterial walls. We must produce the nitric oxide gas that the stagnant blood failed to trigger. You have a massive nitric oxide factory located directly in your paranasal sinuses. If you are breathing through your mouth while staring at your monitor, you are bypassing this factory entirely. Close your mouth. For the next hour of your workday, commit to strict 100% nasal breathing. Inhale deeply through the nose and exhale exclusively through the nose. When air passes through the nasal cavity, it picks up heavy concentrations of nitric oxide and carries it straight into your lungs and your bloodstream. You are effectively acting as your own biological IV drip, continuously infusing your arteries with the exact gas they need to remain highly flexible and non-stick. Step 3. The gravitational flush. At the end of the day, when you finally return home, do not immediately collapse on the couch. We must use gravity to execute a deep internal cleanse. Lie flat on your back on the floor and rest both of your legs straight up against the wall. Hold this precise posture for exactly 3 minutes. For 8 hours, gravity trapped the metabolic waste products and the stagnant fluid in your ankles and calves. By inverting your legs, you are creating a gravitational flush. You are allowing the massive backlog of deoxygenated blood to cascade effortlessly down into your core, where your liver and kidneys can finally filter out the toxicity. You are instantly resetting the venous pressure in your lower body. Phase 4. Conclusion and the executive redirect. Heavy, cold legs at the end of a workday are not just signs of fatigue. They are the physical evidence of blood stagnation and a failing arterial defense. Stop letting your desk job slowly harden your biology. Restart the internal pump with the Soleus Override. Re-lubricate the Teflon walls with the nitric oxide valve and clear the waste with the gravitational flush. You are the architect of your own vascular system. Here is your bioengineer's cheat sheet. Save this to your memory. Legs heavy after 30 minutes? The blood is pooling. Execute the Soleus Override. Arteries feeling stiff? The Teflon is dry. Open the nitric oxide valve with nasal breathing. Ankles swollen after work? The pressure is trapped. Execute the gravitational flush. Your blood is now flowing with power, and your endothelial shield is fully restored. You have successfully stopped the blood from coagulating. This is muscle mindset. Rebuild the foundation, clear the signal, reclaim the power.